Okay guys, good morning, good morning, good morning, good morning. I-try natin yung kuan guys, yung dinanim natin na to. Alugbate. Kung masarap ba. Ito guys, oh, mataba oh. Taba masyado. Kasarap nito guys, kasarap. Fresh from the farm. Sabi nga nila guys, pag may tinanim, may aanihin. Pa konti-konti lang, at least may ma-harvest tayo. So guys, tingnan nyo guys oh. Yan guys oh. Napakataba yan guys, masarap yan. Sarap yan, ilagay natin sa pinirito. Piniritong isda. Okay guys, hanggang dyan lang guys. Good morning, good morning, good morning.